30. The Romans. This is the Makki Surah, and it was revealed about 5 years after the Prophethood, in the same year in which the first Hijrah to Ebyssinia took place. The surah has 60 verses in 6 sections. The surah reminds us that Allah is in control of everything. Those who are short-sighted, they see only what is apparent, but they don't realize that there is a creator and master of this whole universe, and it is He who is governing everything. Final decision is in Allah's hand. The Akhirah will take place and the truth will prevail. Introduction to the sections. Number 1, the defeat of the Romans, and then later their victory is foretold. Number 2, creation and resurrection belong to Allah. Glorify Allah at different times of the day. Number 3, the signs of Allah in nature. Number 4, the true religion corresponds and enhances the nature. Teaching of the religion of nature, tawhid, care of the family and relatives, economic justice and charity. Number 5, corruption caused by human being. Evidence of corruption in history, evidence of resurrection in nature. Number 6, the day of resurrection.